Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create engaging content with CoSchedule, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create engaging content with CoSchedule, start by logging into your CoSchedule account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a free trial on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the content section on the dashboard. Click on Create New to start a new project. Choose the type of content you want to create, such as a blog post or social media update. Next, enter a compelling title for your content. Use CoSchedule's Headliner Analyzer to evaluate the effectiveness of your title. This tool provides insights on emotional impact and SEO. Once your title is optimized, move on to outline your content. Utilize CoSchedule's calendar feature to schedule your content for maximum visibility. Plan your publishing dates, ensuring consistency in your posting schedule. Now, write the main text of your content in the designated space. Incorporate storytelling elements to make your content relatable and engaging. Add visuals by uploading images or linking to videos that complement your text. Use the social media preview feature to see how your content will appear on different platforms. This is crucial for optimizing your posts for each audience. Next, set up your social media promotions through CoSchedule's built-in tools. Schedule posts to automatically share your new content across your social media channels. Once everything is finalized, review your content for clarity and coherence. Make any necessary edits to ensure it flows well. After ensuring everything is perfect, hit the Publish button. Monitor the engagement metrics through CoSchedule's Analytics dashboard. This will help you understand what resonates with your audience. Adjust your content strategy based on analytics to improve future engagement. With these steps, you'll be able to create effective and engaging content using CoSchedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.